Okay guys, I'm going to show you the 3 common types of open E minor 7 and explain to you why you should know all 3 of them. Trust me, this is going to be great. I'm going to save you a little treat at the end. Let's go and start with from where we need to start, which is what the heck is an E minor 7? Well, on any instrument from piano to the guitar, it's going to be the same 4 notes. It's an E, a G, a B, and a D. The D is what makes it that jazzy E minor 7. Okay, so that right there shows up in a few different ways. Here is one way, and my least favorite way until you learn how to use it. Check it out. And the reason why no one likes this is because it sounds like this. Just open strings. It's not. I'm using my first, second, whatever finger you want on the A string 2nd fret. Making that from an A to a B, by the way, and that is an E minor 7. And so you're like, well, if you don't like it and you're not using it, why are you showing me this first? Well, it's because it has a ton of value in the back end. So I never use it here. I never use it this way in the open position as it is. However, I do use it a lot whenever I want to play bar chords. Anytime I'm playing an E minor 7 up the neck around here, I'm playing usually that voicing. So that's what's cool about it. Put your 3rd finger on the A string 2nd fret. I want you to go ahead and put your 1st finger behind the nut. I know all that's kind of useless and a little bit strange, but if you move, it's an E minor 7 still. If you move that up 1 fret, it's an F minor 7. And if you move it up again, it's an F sharp minor 7. And so forth. Isn't that nice? That's a G sharp minor 7, by the way. So it's a great voicing whenever you want to start moving it. That's really fun. Okay, now the next E minor 7 that you definitely want to know, and the one that I play the most often is the one I started off with, and it's this one. Okay, I'm actually playing an E minor chord right now, so it's open, 2nd fret, 2nd fret, open, open, open. That's just the notes of E, G, and B. When I add the D on it, this guy right here, my pinky or 3rd finger, whichever one you want, on the B string 3rd fret, that gives me the note of D. B, C, C sharp, D, right? So that right there gives me that fun little E minor 7 jazzy feel. It's a really simple way to kind of jazzy up your chords. If you're playing an E minor chord and you want to jazzy it up, put your pinky here. And so that's an E minor 7 that I just simply almost always go to if I'm playing any kind of arrangement of open chords, with the exception of these chords. What am I doing? But you like it, you don't know why you like it. That's because there's a lot of pedal tones happening there, or being used there. I can speak, I promise. So an E minor 7 voicing that I do love, but it is on a rare occasion that I use it, is this one here. So it's literally the same thing we just did by way of playing an E minor and then plugging up that 3rd fret B string for your note of D. Now I simply put my 3rd finger there and my 4th finger, my pinky, on the high E string 3rd fret. And that, by the way, is a note of G, so it's still inside of the scope of a E minor 7. It's our flat 3rd specifically. And that is an E minor 7. It sounds cool. It sounds a little brighter because of the notes up here that are fretted. And the way that I use that one almost exclusively is if I'm playing a lot of C add 9s, right? Which is basically a C adding a 9. In this case, a D. So what I'm playing there is I'm playing the 3rd fret A, 2nd fret D, open G, 3rd fret B, 3rd fret high E. For a C add 9, and then E minor 7. And G major, when using that particular voicing with my 3rd and 4th finger, sounds great. Great. So those are the three main types of E minor 7 in the open position that you want to know. Have fun, you guys. If you like that, please go ahead, leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Really appreciate you guys. And I did hit 10,000 subscribers recently, so I do want to say a special thank you to everyone who already is subscribed and supporting me in my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.